name is Melinda Villagran, and I am professor and chair in the Department of Communication Studies. You know, communication is the study of messages, and we look at how messages impact the decisions that we make in our everyday life. In our classes, we talk about a variety of topics, but there are topics that are sort of stigmatized, that students are less likely or less used to talking about, especially in the college classroom. The research project that I'm working on is something that's very relevant to students. Specifically, I'm looking at the impact of sexual risk behaviors that occur when students are impaired. So in other words, hooking up while impaired. Even the smartest students make very dumb decisions sometimes, especially when they've had too much to drink. And we just want students to understand the impact that the decisions that you make while you're impaired can have on your life.
Hi, my name is Marcia Burney, and I'm the Senior Grant Specialist with the Bienestar Coalition. There was a man that once said, and his name was David Geffen, he said HIV, infection, and AIDS is growing, but so too is public apathy. What we're doing in both of these campaigns is that we're bringing forward the conversation. We're having conversations about safer sex. We're having conversations about making the right choices and decisions when you go out to parties. So what we're doing is that we're providing a knowledge and we're providing an education through educational programming. With that, knowledge is power, and so we want people to feel powerful about knowing their HIV status. We want people to feel powerful about practicing safe sex if they are having sex, and we want people to feel powerful about drinking if they choose to drink when they go out.
The Bienestar Coalition is a grant from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Administration, and we've been provided funds to look at this topic in a variety of ways over the next several years. So our research is helping us to communicate with students about the social norms that exist at Texas State. Our students believe that the average Texas State student drinks a whole lot more than they actually do. Our research also tells us that students typically believe the average Texas State student hooks up a lot more than they actually do. So it's a very good message to share and to help overcome the stigma of talking about sex or talking about alcohol, because these are very real issues for students. And as we talk with them, we get a chance to say, look, you don't have to go and get drunk to fit in.
Hi, my name is Natalie Cavazos, and I'm a graduate student in the Department of Communication Studies at Texas State. As an undergrad in my residence hall, I lived in an all-girl residence hall, and our programs that we had didn't really have people who would come out and talk to us about things that were going on in college students' lives. It was just really, really amazing and really, really fun to be a part of something this big, because we got to formulate our messages and we got to see what we wanted to happen. And then when we gave those presentations and the students came and talked to us afterwards, that's what was important. Being a part of this campaign has helped me see research in action. It helped me feel like I was a part of something really big.
When you're a freshman, you don't have to make risky decisions that can really have consequences just to fit in. In fact, the average Texas State student doesn't drink or hook up as much as you probably think they do. And we help them to have good information to make better decisions about how to party safe, how to make a plan before they go out, how to recognize when they maybe have had too much to drink. And we try to help them make the kinds of decisions that are going to help them be safe over the course of their college career. So it's a really great way for me personally to get involved in a research project that has implications for our students, and to engage our students in the process of research and teaching, because this is a real issue that they face. And although they don't usually talk about sex and alcohol in their classes, it is something that is at the forefront of the college experience, and making these decisions along the way is something that we can talk about in communication studies, so that students have a chance to express their ideas and to get good information that could hopefully down the line help them to make better decisions.